Hi, it's Eric with VictorEric Design+Build. I'm so happy to share with you another behind-the-scenes tour of a major character home renovation that we took in the West Side of Vancouver. Hi, welcome to our newly renovated character home in the West Side of Vancouver. I'm excited to show you inside before we hand it over to the clients. So this is a major renovation that we just finished for a client who basically took their old single family home, 1930s, they've lived in this for a while, and they wanted to convert it into duplex so that their son can have one side and they could have the other. What a great story. And this is what the inside looks like in the parent suite. Kitchen down there, which I will show you later. Right here is the living room. This was the old location of the living room, but we definitely upped its level with the vaulted ceiling. We raised the ceiling up before it was flat and low. But you have this beautiful cathedral ceiling now with a new fireplace. Pretty much everything's new here. We brought it down to these studs, gutted everything, upgraded the foundation, all new drywall. It feels like a brand new house. So let's go into the kitchen. So this is the kitchen space at the back of the house, and what we have here is of course this big island. There's gonna be bar stools there, and this is where their dining room will be with a big deck that they share with their son. What a great common space. Here we actually designed a built-in mud room concept there with hooks and shoe shelves and everything. There's coat closet back there that's integrated into all of this kitchen. This kitchen looks amazing. It's extra wide because we pretty much took up the whole back wall there. And in behind those doors is the Chinese wok kitchen, which is extra huge. So let's go check that out. So we integrated these double pocket doors just so that when it's open, it feels like part of the main kitchen, and that's what I love about it. I remember when wok kitchens first came in, they were this small little 5x5 space that really you did not feel comfortable working in. Here, it's enough for two people, one prepping, one cooking, and maybe even one washing. And then over here, of course, we have a nice appliance garage with a flipper door. Imagine all of your small appliances there, rice cookers, toasters, panini grills, everything can go in here and you just hide it away when the guest comes. So this is the powder room, and powder rooms are always special for us. This is a bit more moody. We've got a beautiful rock texture wall here, LED lit mirror, and there's even a shower here in case you have guests down on this level. So this is the second floor, and when we designed this space, we wanted to make sure that the ceiling opens up with the big skylight. There's just so much natural light filtering down to the stairwell that it makes it so inviting. So on the second floor, there is this beautiful second bath. Natural light is very important for this family, and as you can see, we brought that into this washroom. Over here, this is an innovative design that we brought on with a large shower with the steam and everything, but it integrates right into the sauna. And the detail on this is immaculate. We took a large format tile and integrated the hidden trench drain with no curb, so it feels so luxurious. Hey, this is the master ensuite, and on the one side we have a walk-in closet with this nice wood divider wall, and it opens up into the master ensuite itself here. Beautiful floor standing tub, nice big walk-in shower, and even a heated towel bar for your creature comfort. Welcome to the son's unit. This is the other side of the duplex, and let me show you around. So right after the entry, you will see that there's a built-in mudroom here. This is a duplex. It's not common to have mudroom, but we want to give them the functionality of it. So here we have some hooks for bags and backpacks and such, shoe shelf, and then of course a coat closet built in here. Right beside it is the living space where we have a feature wood slat design here to really anchor that window. Part of the open area is the dining space, which is right here. Furniture still coming in. We haven't handed over this house yet, but we are excited when that happens. The kitchen space is really special for him. Dark blue tones with walnut wood textures and gold accents really make this space special. So outside the kitchen is the common patio that he gets to share with his parents. Really big deck space that you can put a barbecue in here and have family gatherings, and it's such a great communal space between the two units. So each unit actually has 3 bedrooms on top, 1 master bedroom and ensuite of course, and then 2 standard bedrooms that share a standard bathroom. Now the standard bathrooms are larger because they're being shared with lots of linen storage and all of that. So this is the master ensuite for the son's unit, and closet space was very important for him. This isn't a huge room. They had the regular 5-foot built inside the wall closet, but that wasn't enough. So when we did the design, we incorporated this built-in headboard with closet space on each side, built-in night table and dresser. It was very functional for him. The master ensuite itself is quite nice. It's a little bit masculine being the son's unit. We use darker colors, black accents, and this beautiful wood look tile inside the shower that seamlessly integrates in. I hope you enjoyed that behind the scenes tour. If you are thinking about a project like this and got questions, leave us a comment, or better yet, give us a call and we'll bring our 25 years of knowledge doing these complicated projects to make your process stress-free. We are VictorEric Design Build and we create amazing spaces.